Good afternoon, welcome to our stand. I'm Mark Hall from Corsair Solutions. We're going to give you a bit of run through of the Marshall electronics we've got here. We have an Orchid, an OR185, which is a confidence monitor, has speakers and vectorscope and waveform displays in it. That actually won Best of Show at NAB. We then have some of the range of the rack mount monitors. So we've got the M-Link's 702W, 702 and the 503. The great thing about these cost-effective monitors is apart from SDI inputs, they also have composite component HDMI inputs. So as you'll see over here, here's also one of the Link 702, and you'll see it there. We've got separate power and waveform and displays on there as well. Next from Marshall, we've got some of the lipstick and the professional HD cameras. So we've got a range up the top here, as you see. So we've got what's called the CV350 up the end. That's a 10 times optical zoom, and it has HD SDI out and HDMI at the same time. We then have what's called a CV365. That's basically a full HD camera. It has the SDI and HDMI out at the same time, but it actually has Gen Lock, and we have the option of putting different lenses on it. And then we have some of the other range. So we have what's called a CV505. This is a miniature full HD point of view camera with audio. So you have your SDI, your HDMI and audio, and it's designed to be put in small locations, and you can actually change the lenses on that as well, so get different angles on there. Going along, we have one of what's called the CV225. This is a lipstick camera. The great thing about this one, and also this little older one here, is they're IP67 rated. They can be submerged completely underwater. So some of these ones up here actually have a joystick on the back with an on-screen display, but we also have a serial control. So we can use 485 control, and we have this one here. This is actually a touch screen controller, and this allows me to adjust exposure, white balance, and a whole lot of settings with up to, I believe it's 7 cameras. So this product here is a HD SDI, a composite and HDMI encoder and decoder with separate comms audio. You might use it at a network, and you're putting a HD SDI signal into it, and it will encode it, and then it can decode it and put it out on the other end.